People who appear wealthy are actually deep in debt. Hook problem. Many people who appear wealthy are actually deep in debt. They own expensive items but do not own freedom. Real wealth is not showing off. It is control of time and choices. The illusion of richness. Most visible wealth comes from loans, credit, and monthly payments. Luxury items drain money instead of building it. If wealth must be proved to others, it is not real wealth. Wage mindset versus wealth mindset. A wage mindset trades time for money. A wealth mindset uses money to create more money. Hard work alone cannot build lasting wealth if income stops the moment work stops. How real wealth works. Real wealth uses assets that earn while a person sleeps. Assets include ownership, dividends, rental income, and business systems. Spending without investment keeps a person trapped. Income stacking. Never rely on one paycheck. First income covers basic needs. Second income builds freedom. Third income removes dependence on work. When income layers grow, time becomes personal property again. Simple starting steps. Cut waste spending. Create a second income source. Reinvest earnings into assets that grow without daily effort. When the second income equals the first, freedom begins. True financial goal. Real wealth is not status or branding. It is the ability to choose how to live without fear of losing money, time, or stability. The shift begins with income stacking and ends with full financial control.